It is good to see Dhaka Tribune district correspondent Arif al-Islam finally be freed from his wrongful incarceration, and we commend the authorities for their quick reversal of this manifest injustice. There is also perhaps some vindication to be found in knowing that Kurigram Deputy Commissioner Sultana Parveen is to be withdrawn from her post for her role in the matter. What she did, abduction and torture of a journalist by misusing powers of the state, is simply an outright crime. The illegality of Arif's arrest, the clandestine nature of his incarceration, and the absolute disregard for any due process were all a shocking abuse of power on the part of the disgraced Ms. Parveen, who was truly out of bounds in her conduct as a government official. The story these actions tell is one of a rogue public servant misusing the instruments of state in a manner that speaks of utter impunity in the belief that she is not just above the law, but herself is the law. This is unacceptable. There can be no excuse for abusing one's position, especially on the part of those who are tasked with the public trust. In fact, there can be no greater crime. Invading a man's home and dragging him away in the dead of night based on trumped-up charges is bad enough. But even worse was the way Ariful was treated while in custody. He was stripped, blindfolded, tortured, and subjected to mock execution while incarcerated. If we truly wish to see the rule of law in our nation, there must be criminal consequences for such abuse of power. We hope the dismissal of Deputy Commissioner Sultana Parveen and others involved in Ariful's wrongful incarceration and torture will send a message as to what it means to be a public servant. Furthermore, we call on the authorities to prosecute what must surely be seen as a crime. The kind of egregious misconduct Ariful was subjected to is grounds for far more than a simple dismissal.